Welcome back, Lightning ESL. Here at Lightning ESL, take a look at S. S, like sat, sit, satisfaction, capital S, small s. Look the same, don't they? Just a large size, a small size, capital S, small s. S. I know it sounds like C, doesn't it? The letter C. But this is S. S. Notice the E and S together. S. 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 So your teacher might say, sit. Yes, I sat down, didn't I? Or let's say, circumference, that's with a C. Yeah, but the same sound isn't with an S. This is S. 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 Spell the word sat. S-A-T. That's right. S. Capital and small. The letter S. Till next time. Bye-bye.